How to protect your PayPal account from phishing attacks. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can protect your PayPal account from phishing attacks. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is before you log in or click in any kind of links for your PayPal, make sure that the links are verified, the links are correct. Also, when you're browsing through your email, and if you see any mail relating to your PayPal, make sure that you never click on the links or download attachments in those kinds of emails. If you do have such emails on your inbox, make sure to check the email. Make sure that the email that you received it from is valid. You can manually investigate to the official PayPal website by typing in the URL on your browser directly, and that's one way of doing it. So, first step is never clicking on links in suspicious emails or texts, as they can lead to fake websites and ultimately your information will get stolen. And that's one thing. The other is by directly going to the website itself. So, if you ever want to go to your PayPal, all you have to do is just go ahead and go to paypal.com, www.paypal.com. And this way you won't have to go through any other links. The other thing is to check for red flags. You need to be wary of emails with uh, poor grammar or sense of urgency, any such kind of emails. And if you do receive that kind of emails, you can simply report it to PayPal. Simply open up your email and directly you can compose an email, and the address that you'll need to mail it to is fishin@paypal.com. And this like that, change this, and this is this email address that you'll need to mail to. And after you've done that, you can then report it. Now the other thing that you'll need to do is strengthen your account security. So you can go to your PayPal, go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to security tab right here. And after you're on your security tab, make sure that you update your password every few months. You can also use a passkey, or you can use something like fingerprint, your face ID, or a PIN. Since fingerprint and face ID are biometric, those are mostly considered secure. You can also enable two-step verification. And the final thing is you will need to check your activity yourself. So regularly review your PayPal account activity for any transaction that you don't recognize. Also monitor your credit. And also you might want to avoid using public networks such as any free and open Wi-Fi available. And that's it for today's video, guys. That is how you avoid your PayPal from getting phished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.